Global wildfire overlap threatens international firefighting, aid the increasing convergence of wildfire seasons worldwide, is poised to severely limit the ability of nations to share crucial firefighting resources, such as personnel and aircraft, according to a new study published in Science Advances. This trend, driven by accelerating climate change, will shrink the windows of opportunity for international assistance, potentially exacerbating the impact of increasingly severe fire events. Expanding fire seasons and overlapping crises historically, wildfire seasons in different regions occurred at staggered times, allowing countries to deploy resources to support one another. For example, Canada and Mexico assisted with blazes near Los Angeles in early 2025, while South Africa sent aid to Spain and Portugal during the 2023 fires. This mutual support system relies on the assumption that when one region is at peak risk, others are relatively safe. However, the study led by Kong Yin at the University of California, Merced, demonstrates that extreme fire weather conditions are now occurring on a growing number of days each year across the globe. This means fire seasons are lengthening and overlapping, diminishing the periods where assistance can be effectively provided. Why this matters? A shrinking safety net, the implications are significant. As climate change continues to intensify, the ability to rely on international collaboration will weaken. If multiple regions experience simultaneous, large-scale wildfires, the global firefighting capacity will be stretched thin, leaving some areas with insufficient support. John Abatsoglu, a co-author of the study, emphasizes that resource sharing currently provides a valuable insurance against overwhelming domestic fire surges. This safety net is now under threat. From regional to global trends, previous research examined fire weather changes on a regional basis. This new study provides the first comprehensive global analysis, revealing that the problem is not limited to any single area. The findings underscore the urgency of climate mitigation, efforts to prevent further deterioration of international firefighting cooperation. The increasing overlap of wildfire seasons represents a critical loss of resilience in global disaster response. Without aggressive action to curb climate change, nations will find themselves increasingly isolated in the face of escalating fire threats.